Here we have our line segment that stretches from 0.24 to 0.66. Here's the midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. If you plug the numbers in, you get 2 plus 6, all divided by 2, which is our first x value, 4. And if you plug in the y portion, you should get 4 plus 6, all divided by 2, is equal to 5. Which means the midpoint for this line is 0.45. Right there. As you can see, this creates two more lines that we can divide into fourths. So if I take the same formula from up top and I plug it in, 2 plus 4 divided by 2 is 3, and 4 plus 5 divided by 2 is 4.5. This gives us the point 4.5, which is the midpoint for our second line here. And for the last line, you plug in these numbers with these numbers, and you'll get 4 plus 6, all divided by 2, which is equal to 5. And 5 plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 5.5. Which gives us the point 5 and 5.5. Mistake. And that's the midpoint for our lines. And as you can see, we divided the line into 1, 2, 3 fourths.